In order to be a successful college student, there are some things to start thinking about right away. First, your educational goal. Is your goal to earn a certificate or an associate's degree? Or do you plan to transfer after several semesters and earn a bachelor's degree from a university? Second, your career goal. What career path do you want to follow? What should you major in to get there? For any degree or transfer goal, you will need both general education and major preparation. Let's make sure you understand both categories and why they are important. College-educated people are expected to have the general basic knowledge across a wide variety of subjects. Colleges meet this expectation by requiring general education classes for all degrees. Many students complete most, if not all, of their GE classes before they transfer. You will discuss this more when you meet with your academic counselor and develop your comprehensive educational plan. In addition to general education classes, you will also need beginning classes in your major. Decide on a major or program based on your career goals. When you apply to transfer, all colleges will require you to list a major and will look for an effort made on the classes in that major before they will admit you. Find your potential major and write down the courses. We strongly recommend you try to take one or more of these during your first semester. If you are still undecided about a major, then select one or two additional general education classes until you decide. Much of our English and math placement is based on your own self-assessment. You are the best person to know and realize what your skills are. If you struggled with math and English in high school, you don't want to get into classes here at Moorpark College that will be too difficult. If it's been a while since you've taken math or English, you may not have the recent background skills to be successful in the class. It's much better to take a class for review, get a good grade that raises your GPA, then get a solid running start to success in that important transfer level class. To move into higher levels of classes in college, you must pass a previous class with a C grade or higher. Everyone has to take math and English, and transfer colleges like to see that you complete the classes as soon as possible. These classes will also help you do better in other classes requiring extensive math and writing skills. First, let's discuss English. In order to receive any type of college degree, you must pass English composition. At Moorpark, that is English MO1A. If writing organized papers is a challenge, take English MO3, writing skills, or English MO2, college writing, to work your way up to and through English MO1A, and then into a higher English class such as English MO1B or MO1C. Now, let's take a look at math. In order to receive a degree at Moorpark, you must pass Math MO3, Intermediate Algebra, or a higher level math with a C grade or better. In order to transfer to a university, you must complete a transferable math class. Your transferable math class depends on the major you choose and the university you want to transfer to. Looking at the math chart, you will see there are several different paths you can follow. If you are thinking about a major in business, engineering, or the sciences, then you want to work your way through this path. If you want to major in some type of social science, psychology, sociology, or political science, then you will want to aim for the Math M15 statistics class. If you are thinking about a major in history or an area of the arts, then really any math class above Math MO3 will work.
DegreeWorks is an academic advisement tool designed to help students understand the requirements for their major, degree, or certificate, which may consist of core courses, general education, and elective. This is a web-based program that takes the courses from your college transcript and reorganizes them to fulfill the requirements for your degree. DegreeWorks can help students in multiple ways. View degree requirements for your major, including general education requirements completed. Identify remaining courses needed to complete your degree or major. View the grades, transfer credits, or waivers applied to your transcript. Estimate how many semesters it will take for you to graduate. Select the right courses for the next semester or session. Let's develop your first semester student education plan, starting with your first semester. First, list the English class you plan to take. For most of you, it will either be English MO2 or English MO1A. Second, list the math class you plan to take. Third, pick a class in your major. This will help you to see if you really like that major. Fourth, choose 3 to 4 additional general education classes. You are picking several just in case the ones you want are full when you register. Finally, you may want to take an elective or fun class. This can be a subject you want to learn more about or to keep you busy. Your student education plan should look like this: 1 English, 1 math, 1 major class, 3 or 4 general education classes, and an elective. You won't be taking 7 classes in your first semester, but it's good to have many options in mind when you're choosing from the schedule. To be a full-time student, you'll be taking 3 to 4 classes or 12 to 15 units.